Okay, welcome to tutorial number 1, going over basic controls. Here we'll learn how to teleport, which is how we move, put things in our inventory, and put on our PPE. So first off, we're going to learn how to move. So bring up your left hand, raise it in front of you so this prompt shows up, and it will say to move, use your left hand, use the joystick in your left hand, and push it forward, push and hold forward until this white line comes up, and that will mark where you want to go. So we want to go to the back of the pickup truck. You see that white line there? Push and hold it, and then once you're where you want to go, release that joystick and you will teleport there. Now for the main menu, either controller, you can press X or A. That'll bring it up, and at the home screen you see all the polls and locations where we can go in the actual simulator. Now we'll bring up our PPE tab. Go ahead and click on it with your right hand controller using your index trigger finger. So point that white line and click with your index trigger finger. Go ahead and put on your hard hat with the same way. Point with your right hand and click with your index trigger finger. Go ahead and put on all your PPE. And then click on the crew tab. From here, the crew will always be missing something. Just to make sure you're paying attention, click on that red box that says something is missing. From here, go ahead and pull up the inventory by clicking on that inventory tab on the main menu using your right hand controller index finger trigger. Go back to the pickup truck, look for the extendo. Now point your right controller down at the extendo stick until that white line is on it, and then click it with your index finger trigger. From here, it'll show up in your inventory. Now to actually use it, you got to pull it from your inventory. So point at your inventory menu and click on it from there with your right hand controller. Now to use it, you can use either hand, left hand or right hand, but to grab it, you have to use the middle finger trigger and hold it down. So hold that middle finger trigger down, and then to actually extend it out, use your index finger trigger to extend it in or out. Now to use it on the recloser, go ahead and move it over to the recloser while it's extended. That red bubble will pop up, and you'll use your index finger trigger to operate the recloser. But you have to hold it down with your middle finger trigger the entire time. Now go back to the menu and click on Pick Up All Tools. From here, we'll head back to the pickup truck. Go ahead and pick up your iPad with your left hand using that middle finger trigger, holding it down so you hold the iPad. We'll click on Restoration, not Repair, since we're going to be restoring an outage. Just go through the job briefing, go ahead and click on Yes for all this. This is how you'll fill it out in the actual simulation, just accounting for everything that you might encounter in the field, like you're actually going to be restoring a line that a tree had gone through. So go ahead and click all the check marks, and then click Completed when you're done. Now go ahead and pick up the map with your left hand, holding down with the middle finger trigger, and you can see we're at pole 1, that is marked with an R for the recloser. You can see that on your map. Also, you'll see where the wire's down in between poles 4 and 5. So this is a good resource for when you're going to go and actually hang grounds. You'll know where to hang your grounds at using that map. And when we're done, pull up the menu by holding A or pressing A, and then clicking exit and exit to main menu.